Iran has unveiled a new version of its Shahed-149 combat drone, also known as Gaza, equipped with anti-jamming and anti-spoofing systems to enhance its performance in contested electronic environments. The upgraded wide-body unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, was displayed at the Latin America Aerospace and Defense, LAD, 2025 trade show, held in Rio de Janeiro from April 1 to 4. This marked the first time Iran's defense ministry officially took part in the biennial Brazilian Defense Exhibition. Iran's pavilion showcased a replica of the Gaza drone, presented by the Islamic Revolution Guards Corps, IRGC, Aerospace Force. According to images released from the venue, the drone now features new antennas and advanced navigation receivers designed to counter radio frequency jamming and spoofing, tactics commonly used in electronic warfare to disrupt or deceive UAV systems. Similar anti-jamming technologies were previously tested on Iran's Shahed-129 drones and are now being incorporated into newer platforms. The Shahed-149 Gaza, first unveiled in May 2021, is Iran's largest combat drone. Weighing 3.1 tons, the turboprop-powered UAV has a wingspan of 21 meters and can carry up to 500 kilograms of payload, including 13 bombs. It is capable of operating at a service ceiling of 35,000 feet, with an endurance of 35 hours and a range of 2,000 kilometers. In addition to combat and surveillance missions, the drone can also support search and rescue operations and provide assistance during natural disasters.